Huh? I think
Here we are at Oakfield-Alabama Baptist Church. Got Brian Sage opening this mysterious safe. See what else we have here.
Where's a little notch?
Tim Tyler, Brian Tyler.
Where's Mr. Showball? Did we? Alright, start at 0. Okay. There's 0. Right? 5 times. Fast 94. Okay. There's 94. Right. 5. Left 21. 4 times. 1. 2. 3. 4. 81 3 times. 1. 2. 3. 36 twice. 1. 2.
Womp 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 womp.
So start at 0.
That's what I did.
So you gotta go by 94 5 times.
Alright, there's 0.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
There's 94. 1.
No.
1, right?
2.
2. 3. 4. 5. Okay. Now left. 21 4 times. 1. 2. 3. 4. 81 3 times. 1. 2. 3. 36 twice. 1. 2.
And then what's it say? Wait a minute. What's it say? Turn right easy until it stops. Usually clicks at 91. Right is clockwise. Turn right easy.
Okay, yeah.
Usually stops at 91. Oh! It stopped.
True. It was an improvement.
Stop driving.
Yeah!
Oh, wow, yeah. There's definitely something in there, so it's not going to be like the Al Capone safe.
Oh.
Does anybody even know what's in here,
No.
to be honest with you? Or,
The Indian in the cupboard drawers.
nothing?
No, that's fine. Some record books. Just want to give it some-
1988.
Well, apparently it's safe of records.
Joe Brown.
Keep this thing safe.
From
Boys
Richard
think we're gonna
Junker.
break into our church and steal these record books.
I used him a few times. Richard Junker, lawyer. Well, that's nothing. Nothing. Insurance policies.
All right, well, some interesting record books and, you know, little
Alright.
drawer system.
I'll let you guys look at that real quick.
All right, well, thanks for tuning in.
Sure.
Check us out next time.